Oh, I didn't see you there. My name's Andrew, and today I'm going to be teaching you about radiation and literature. Oh, so who knows about the Hulk? Oh wait, this is a video. Well, the Hulk was a superhero that was induced with gamma radiation. He was caught in a blast while trying to save a human, and he was exposed to gamma radiation.
Do I stop?
Yeah. So what are gamma rays? Well, gamma rays are ionizing radiation, and they're made of photons, and they're smaller than alpha and beta particles. Now, a positive to gamma rays are that it can kill cancer cells, but as it kills cancer cells, too much gamma exposure can kill you, and that's a negative. So, what do Tobey Maguire, Andrew Garfield, and Tom Holland have in common? They all play Spider-Man.
Sure.
Now, Spider-Man was a radioactive induced hero because he was bit by a radioactive spider. Now, let's debunk this spider myth, shall we? So what if you were bit by a radioactive spider? Well, nothing would happen. According to Slate, radioactive in radioactive spider is irrelevant because, we absorb radiation every day from the sun, from our phones, and from everyday materials. Now, if you were bit by a spider though, the only thing you'd be experiencing is the symptoms from a spider bite, and not superpowers. Next on the list is a group of superheroes called the Fantastic Four. And the Fantastic Four were comprised of the Thing, the big rocky thing. You know what I'm talking about, the big rocky thing? Mr. Fantastic, Stretchy Dude, Mrs. Invisible, and the Human Torch. As you can see from this photo, they have mutant powers just like the Hulk and Spider-Man. In conclusion, a negative to radiation is that if you're trying to take in lots of radiation at one time to be a superhero, you're never going to be a superhero. Now, the Hulk was faced with gamma rays, and gamma rays are really small particles that can pass through anything, like humans, and positively, they can kill cancer cells. Now, ironically, in large doses, gamma radiation can also cause cancer. Spider-Man, on the other hand, is BS secondhand radiation. Why? Well, if you get bit by a radioactive spider, chances are you only get bit by trace amounts of radiation. Not to mention that you get yourself exposed every day to your cell phone. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. Also, the sun. The sun is cosmic radiation. Just like the Fantastic Four. Fantastic Four, you know why they, got all their powers? Because lack of proper shielding, like we learned in chemistry. Now, if they had the proper shielding, they would have not gotten exposed. But even if you did get exposed in real life, you still wouldn't have powers. Now, say you were exposed to cosmic radiation. Well, a professor from the University of Rochester Medicine, O'Banion, he said that if you were exposed to cosmic radiation, it'd be a form of cognitive problems such as Alzheimer's. All in all, in the end, radiation and literature, negative is that too much radiation, in order to be a superhero, can kill you. And too much radiation can also cause cancer. On the positive side though, gamma radiation, like the Hulk, can cure cancer.